Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Simply K back with another nail video. So for today's video, we're going to be doing some nails. We're using this particular brand, Gelike, and we're going to be doing some Gelix nails. I also have this one here that I've tried before. I really like these almond shaped nails. They do have the etching in the underside, and it's really great when you are lazy sometimes like me and you don't want to file the inside of your nails. These nails are great. So I grabbed this particular kit from Amazon. It comes with pretty much everything that you need to do a Gelike set. As you can see, it comes with an instructional pamphlet, your glue or 6-in-1 gel glue to apply the nails, and you do have your nails there. Also a mini lamp. So today we're going to be doing this quick little tutorial. I'm not going to do a lot of talking. I'm just going to show you guys what I do. And if you do have any questions, just leave it in the comment section for me, and I'll be more than happy to answer any questions about this set that I'm about to do. So yeah, if you've not done so already and you did find this video helpful, or you like the video or any of my other videos on my channel, feel free to subscribe to my channel and become part of the Simply K family. Like and share this video with your family and friends. And yeah, as always, leave me a big thumbs up, guys. It goes a long way. Thank you guys for the love and support. I appreciate you guys. I will check in a little bit later on in the video. Alright guys, so I'm back. These are the completed nails. I'm about to go ahead and add some rubbing alcohol to get rid of the tacky layer from the top coat. But yeah, I've went ahead and added some gems and some caviar beads just to give the design a pop. I did pick up this design from Pinterest, so it was an inspired look. These nails turned out perfect. The application is very easy. These nails did last me 2 weeks. If you have any question, just leave it in the comment section. As I mentioned below, everything that I use will be in the description box for you guys. And yeah, added some cuticle oil just to bring some life back to my cuticles. And there you have it. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Give me a big thumbs up on this video if you really liked it. Share it with your family and friends. And I will catch you all in my next video. Thank you guys. Bye.